Hey guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this SaniteModar 24-inch linear drain that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing for you and give you a close-up look at this drain so that you can see if this is right for your project. If you're ready, let's get into it. All right, guys, so as you can see, it comes in a pretty simple box. When you open it up, you're going to have your drain inside. It is wrapped in bubble wrap to protect it during shipping. You're also going to get a hook for taking up the grate, and you're going to get installation instructions here. Once the drain is out of the bubble wrap, as you can see, it's all one piece here. It comes pre-assembled. The feet are already attached. You got your drain here that connects up to your sewer line, and it's pretty much ready to go. These feet here are for leveling. You can screw these here up or down to adjust to your enclosure. And then with this hook here, this here is basically for removing the grate, like so. Now guys, this here is the matte black. As you can see, this here powder coat is very nice. So go very well with your powder coated fixtures that you already have. Underneath the grate, you've got your hair catch here. And it's just a well-made drain. It's made out of stainless steel that's been powder coated. Everything is solid and sturdy. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a very well-made linear drain for your project, I highly recommend this SaniteModar. I hope this helps.